Can I take us on our journey today? I have a little route planned out for us. We're gonna go Dunkin' Donuts, then we're gonna go downwards to Cornelia Street, which I went to, but I didn't take any pictures outside of. I just took a picture of the sign, and then we'll get to the Washington Arch. You can trust me. I don't wanna lose you. I'm wearing pink for lover, you know. I'll never walk Cornelia Street again. Okay, we're not gonna go down there, but a lady called Carrie Bradshaw, her apartment is there. I don't know who she is. I don't know what she does. But Carrie Bradshaw, remember that name. Sarah Jessica apartment from Sex City. That's what she just says. I'm not annoying, am I? And you started to... Oh. And here is the lovely Friends apartment building. And now we can take nice little selfie videos next to it. They didn't film Friends here, but this is all the exterior outer shots. Yeah, and what I really love about that is that pipes. The Friends apartment building is there. And I don't care too much about Friends, but I thought, you know, we're here, right? It's like a block away, let's go and look at it. And she... I don't care, I didn't watch Friends. I was too busy filming myself that we walked past Dunkin' Donuts. And imagine, I got a French vanilla iced coffee and a croissant. That looks good. Cornelia. Let's get it. And we can talk to Taylor Swift fans and friends. I'll never walk Cornelia Street. Sing it. Again. Okay, fine. Let me give you some backstory. This is where Taylor Swift rented. She will never walk down this street again. This is where all of the music came from. It's nice, isn't it? It's nice and, you know. Tell them what happened. I took a picture for a family. And then they said, do you want us to take a picture of you two? And I said, no, she doesn't care. And then they all hissed at her. Deserved. I never knew I'd visit Cornelia Street. Yeah, I really need someone who cares right now. And then she found Joe at the Met Gala. And then, you know, Joe Alwyn. You know, if she can go through a hard time like that, renting out that massive property with a swimming pool and everything, I can do that too. I'm gonna rent somewhere, I'm gonna write some songs, and I'm gonna make an album like Lover. Maybe an anti-lover, maybe an album about hating people. And this is like the Glee scene. Once bitten, I cannot distance, but you still catch my eye. So while we're walking to the Washington Arch, not arc as I've been saying, but I prefer arc. You know, like character arcs, we all have them. I'm in my flop era right now, I'm on my dip. We're waiting for that 2023. They've got one of these in every city, like, where's the originality? What have I come to see? She doesn't want to be in the picture zone, that's what upsets me. That is what gets me. There's a nice little bowl thing here. Don't know what that is. All of my vlogs I've ever done are, here's this thing, I don't know what it is, but it's nice, and I'm in it. And yeah, and I'm gonna get a nice selfie video with the arch, and we're gonna throw up some gang signs, and we're just gonna, you know, attract some people. Standing in my little sexy pink hoodie. Yesterday we had Day of the Blue People. Today is Pink Day. We're gonna make a nice rainbow out of all of our days, and most of them have been black and grey, but I'm trying to bring some colour into it, into our lives. So I'm gonna do it myself, and we're gonna get it all in. All in. Oh, let me take my hood down. Even though my big ass ears are cold, we can walk, we can look. So, see, imagine if this is a, oh, I'm getting people's pictures. As I should really. Imagine if this is a film. And this is the backside of the arc. All of these, look at all these AC units. I have heard of these falling down on people and killing them. Or maybe it's just in a good place, I don't know. Just in case you forgot where we are. Oh, that was a terrible salute. Who salutes like that? has stars in the corner, doesn't it? I'm so confused. Let me just stick to putting my peanut butter cocoa butter on my lips. Just because I record myself, because I want to look back on myself when I'm older and then cry about how young and good and sexy I looked. And for the fans too. JACKECLIPS Global Domination 2023, let's go. New York University, NYU. He said, damn baby, it's tight. I said, yeah boy, you right. He said, damn baby, so little but you be really taking that pipe. I said, yes daddy, I do. Give me brain like in my you. You guys love that, right? Let's be real, that's why we're watching this. Oh. Got a massive nose. Damn. Slay. My eyes have started hurting. Ow. Is that my girl? Is that Chanel number 3? I think that's Billy Boyd. I think that's Chanel number 3. Here's Betty, man. Hey, Betty. What are we looking for? Barbie. Nicki Minaj. Ravona. Gugu Mbatha Raw. Yes. Do you think they'll let me slide across on one of these little ladders? That would be nice. In Barnes & Noble right now, as you probably know. I was looking around looking at all these things. They've got Shelley here. I guess that's Mary Shelley, Frankenstein creator. Wilde. That's probably Olivia Wilde from Don't Worry Darling. Dickinson, Emily Dickinson from Apple TV. I don't know, Hayley Steinfeld, whatever. There's another one over here. No, all white men, I wouldn't know. Here is another statue of a white man. And there's also a countdown that says 6 years, 212 days, 23. I don't know what that's a countdown to, but it's scary. Ooh. We came to a little record store, and it's very, very not to me. There's no pop girlies. There's no not David Tennant. What? They got Doctor Who stuff, Record Day store stuff too. It's like we walked into the 80s. Everybody's got like frizzy hair, and it looks like they're in Stranger Things or something. But I look good. I know that much. Ooh. Just so you know, my favourite type of mirror is a lovely little ceiling mirror. Okay, we're at this little colour factory right now. I'm repping Pink Friday. That's my chosen colour. So, ooh, look, ooh. I'm gonna take a pink macaroon. I'm just gonna take it. Why not? To match. We pink today. We're going pink. Ooh. Sorry. Just scanned my little card at the thing and took like 3 pictures. Never say you're ugly, because even if you think that, someone else won't, you know? Ooh. Is this smelling things? Make it rain. Am I supposed to be smelling or what? I should have really been yellow for JACKECLIPS, you know? Boom. Cherry blossom in bloom. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Pink. Sorry. It's fine, I'm good. It's really opening up my senses, you know? Willy Wonka. I'm now going to recreate the violet scene. Because I'm prepared, I'm ready. Tastes like tomato soup. And roast beef. And dessert. What does she have for dessert? Blueberry. Blueberry pie. Not like my violet impression. Not they talking about human interaction. Who do they think we are? She's in prison. Hello. I can't hear anything. I'm taking this. It said to wave to her. I'm not just waving to her at all. Oh, it's telling us to look at each other. What are the colours that make that person unique? They're telling me to make eye contact and like stare at her. I don't want to do this. Okay, why did my colour ball drink? What the fuck is this? This is not me. I did so good. No, I want this one. She gave me, you're like a ray of sunshine on a dreary day. Oh, that's so true. That's insane. Do you want to give me yellow or do you want purple one? We've got pink again. What the hell is this? I'm just gonna walk through the middle. Thank you for coming out tonight. You know what song I'm gonna sing for this? All this confetti falling down. Do you know what song I'm gonna sing for this? From the stage at like confetti. It's falling in my hood. Is there any Nicki Minaj?
Is there one?
Nicki Minaj.
Maybe some at some point in the mix.
Next room, RGB NYC. So I'm guessing it's red, green, blue. Oh, that's nice, Nick. It shows different colors under different lights. That makes a lot of sense. That really do. I like blue. Yay, this is nice and cozy. Ow! I'm not even lying to you. Laying here right now like this. It's the most comfortable I have been this whole trip. Whatever. Can I take one of these home? I'm gonna take one of these home. I got a nutmeg ice cream. Apparently if you have too much nutmeg, it will make you go high. Oh. Would you look at that? Playing Christmas Tree Farm by Taylor Swift. In my heart is a Christmas tree farm where the people will come. I'm gonna eat my little purple sweet. It tastes yeah. It tastes like flavored pencils. This is my really big meal. I got mushrooms. I got bacon. Oh. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. American Werewolf in London. Hello everyone. I've lost the plot in this room. I am done. I am tired. Boom, 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 boom. Where we going? Cause she's boring. We don't need her. We don't need her. We going to New York. Cause I'm a New Yorker now. Yeah, I'm going to watch The Whale. It's got Brendan Fraser and Sadie Sink in it. I've got no idea what it's about, but I'm just gonna leave it at that because it's a Darren Aronofsky film, and he made Black Swan and Mother, and I really like those films. But I'm scared. It should be a nice little cinema trip, and I'm gonna buy some food there maybe, because last time I just got the popcorn. I didn't really like the butter, but I don't know what it is. I could 100% live here. I could 100% live here. Just the streets and everything. I just think it's so beautiful. I'm just really enjoying walking around the streets and everything. I'm so unknown and irrelevant and small, and for some reason I feel like that's all I've ever needed. Just a little push into something unknown. It just feels right. I haven't felt one bit of like uneasiness or imposter syndrome or anything. And I really love it. Darren Aronofsky. I want to be scared. I want some psychological. Vanilla frost. Look at the difference in this. Look at this. If I say low, will it come out green? Oh my god. The important thing is that I'm having fun, okay? Do not judge me on anything else. I'm having fun. I look like an idiot. And I've embarrassed myself a lot. But, you know...
Celebration.
Oh.
Movie
right.
Geeks Assemble.
I saw the price and I saw $18.49 and I thought, I did it anyway. Baby, we in the recliner now.
Download the Carmel Limo app and
that's it. We're watching the whale. Let's go. And I got a hot dog. It's really small. It's not even the size of my hands.
And if you aren't advertising on the largest cinema network in the country, your cuisine is on fire. There's spicy, dynamic, diverse food here.
Damn. That was something else. I don't know what that was. That was really emotional. I was like, I didn't cry, but I was trying to. I tried to cry. I tried to connect to my emotions, and it didn't come out. But whatever. Be honest. Like something honest. I didn't even realise I'm walking through seeing all these lights. I'm in Koreatown. What's good, Korea? You know I've been a boss from whole Korea. Hello, New York. I'm coming up to Times Square right now. I'm gonna see if the midnight moment is a real thing or not. 17 minutes until midnight. So we're just gonna go look at the screens and everything in Times Square. By myself, I know I keep showing off, but you know, you've got to do things sometimes. You've got to love yourself and be by yourself and know who you are. On 6th Avenue. Is that? And she always want to get in my pictures. Nice lights and everything. Though. Oh, you guys want to wallpaper for your phone? And again, we got 10 minutes until midnight, but I'm not sure what time it starts. I'm not sure if it's like 3 minutes before midnight or something. So I thought, let me just show you some sparkly trees. And then there's an H&M tower up there. I've seen that a few times. I'm so tired. It's coming up to midnight. And people are like doing stock and everything. And people are still working. Like, it literally just looked like a regular, like less people, but like a regular afternoon. And it's crazy to me. It really does never sleep. Okay, maybe, I don't know if it's all together or not. There's a snowing person there. There's a snowing person there. There's snowing people down there. I don't understand it. I'm trying to work it out, but I just can't. I haven't got the brain capacity to watch it. I'm sure it's all connected. Because look, it's everywhere. It's snowing everywhere. Is this a special midnight thing or not? Someone told me, you're not going to look at that. You're going to look at my face right now. It's all on my face, ready to go. This thing is called a menorah. And right now they've got 5 of them lit and there's 4 left. So that's some Jewish facts for you. We'll figure it out together somehow. Ooh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. Now someone edit me onto those billboards. I think they need to see something. Oh, Midnight Moment in partnership with TSAC. Was that really the Midnight Moment that I just waited for?